I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're seeing a transfer pending message on your Rogers device, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. Step 1. Check your network connection. Make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. A weak connection can cause transfer issues. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can clear up any glitches. Turn off your device completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Step 3. Update your software. Ensure that your device is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, then Software Update, and check for any available updates. Step 4. Check for account issues. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Rogers customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your account and device. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the transfer pending issue quickly. Don't hesitate to reach out for help if needed.